డీలిమిటేషన్ బిల్ వల్ల నష్టమేంటో అడ్డుకున్న వారే చెప్పాలని ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు ప్రశ్నించారు. అన్ని రాష్ట్రాలకు సమానంగా 50% సీట్లు పెంచుతామంటే దక్షిణాది రాష్ట్రాలకు అన్యాయం ఎలా జరుగుతుందో డీఎంకే కాంగ్రెస్ సమాధానం చెప్పాలన్నారు. లేదంటే డీలిమిటేషన్ పై ప్రత్యామ్నాయంగా ఏదైనా ఉంటే చెప్పాలన్నారు. తమిళనాడులో బీజేపీ తరపున ఎన్నికల ప్రచారంలో పాల్గొన్న చంద్రబాబు డీఎంకే కాంగ్రెస్ పై విమర్శలు గుప్పించారు.
In Parliament, delimitation bill. What Rahul Gandhi is saying, he defeated the bill. Even Stalin is saying, Tamil Nadu defeated Delhi or Modi. I can't understand the logic. I am a senior politician of this country. I had 48 years experience. First time I became member of Legislative Assembly, 1978. Now very simple, 1996. Devegowda introduced, I was the convener of UF. He introduced women reservation bill. Congress was ally. They used to support. They opposed it. Then we cannot move forward. Then again, 2-3 times, Vajpayee ji NDA one has introduced the bill. Congress didn't support. Again, Congress UPA has come. They brought the bill. Parliament, Rajya Sabha, they passed the bill with the support of BJP. Lok Sabha, not supporting their allies in the name of that. They denied, they postponed. Again 23, Honorable Prime Minister introduced the bill. He was able to communicate, convince the nation. With that pressure, they are able to pass the bill. Again, Honorable Prime Minister wanted to prepone in execution. That bill is very clear. After census, then only delimitation. Even we have to keep in mind, even 2001, delimitation bill has brought. At that time, Vajpayee was the Prime Minister. South India population compared to North India is reducing. If you go to 91 census, we should have lost seats. He made it very clear. Every state will have standard, same number. Within the state, on the basis of population, we will readjust. Even Andhra Pradesh, I have seen, East Godavari, West Godavari, 2-3 seats we lost. In Telangana, that is Rangareddy district, 6 seats we have gained because everybody migrated to Hyderabad. That is how it has happened. Now this bill, what is this bill? He made it very clear. No state will lose seats. Every state 50% enhancement will be there. Tamil Nadu 39, another 20, that means 59. Andhra Pradesh 25, another 13, 38. UP 80, another 40, 120. Pro rata basing on existing seats, 50% enhancement. Among that, 33% women reservations. How South India is losing seats? What is the injustice for South India or smaller states or northeastern states? Now Congress has to tell, DMK has to tell, what is your victory? You betrayed the women. For the last 3 decades, I am a living example for that. I am also a participant. 96 it started. 26 we are here. You deferred. You defeated the bill. Now when you are going to execute it? Why you have done? Now 26 is due for delimitations again. What is your goal? What is your idea? Are you having any clue? You want delimitations is inevitable. Now better than this, any other formula? Under these circumstances, this is the best formula. They brought it. No state will get any setback or injustice. South India, no injustice for South India. Or otherwise, if you go present census, South India will lose heavily. Now I am asking DMK as to answer this. They are branding me, I am not supporting South India. I am also Dravidian. You have to keep it in mind.